Whether it is providing critical communications in remote locations or broadcasting news from disaster zones, enabling real-time data exchange on the battlefield, or maintaining secure connections while deployed overseas, reliable communication, seamless connectivity is key to informing and enhancing the human experience. Norsat International, a global leader in communications technologies for remote and challenging applications, has been providing communication solutions for 50 years and serves markets including public safety, military, maritime, aerospace, broadcast, natural resources. Norsat specializes in developing and manufacturing solutions for both commercial and military customers.